Your mathematics final exams are coming soon in the near future, and you must begin preparation for the exams now. To do well in high school or college, two requirements must be satisfied. 1. A user-friendly book, a book well written for the student. 2. A lot of time, sufficient time. Before we get to the books, let us read some truths. Definition: a student is one who studies a lot. If one attends classes and does not study, one is not a student, but a class attendee. If one does not attend classes, but studies a lot, one is a student. All learning is self-teaching. Others can only help a student to learn. Since you are going to self-teach, you need a user-friendly book. The best teacher is a well-written textbook and not a human being. If you have a user-friendly book, you have the best teacher for 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, for the rest of your life, and also for future generations of your family. From the 9th grade through high school and through college, for any subject, what every student needs is a user-friendly book. That is, a book well written for the student. In studying, it is good practice to refer to other books of the same title by other authors. You can search in the library, the bookstores, online, or refer to other textbooks and notebooks used by family members. To master any topic, you first study it, followed by repetition, and repetition. Without repetition, you will not master any topic. And when it comes to repetition, only you can afford the time for repetition. Even after having mastered a topic, from time to time, you must review the material learned previously. Your teachers and professors are there to help you learn. They cannot and will not have sufficient time to put knowledge into a student's head. You should always aim at getting an A on every exam, and especially on the final exam, since some instructors weigh the final exam more than the class exam. Show all work, even if the exam is of the multiple choice answer type. If you did not do well on the class exams and show all work and excel in choosing the correct answers, your instructor would be easily convinced that you did not cheat on the final exam. Since the final exam may be given a few days or the next day after the last class meeting, you should begin preparing for the final exam at least 3 weeks, or better, 4 weeks before the final exam date. To excel on the final exam, give yourself sufficient time for preparation. Confer with your instructor to obtain all the topics that would be covered by the end of the semester or term. If you are working part-time or full-time, it will be helpful if you were on vacation from work during the last 2 weeks of the semester. If you are offered a new employment, let the first day on your new job be after the last final exam. Every book below is very user-friendly, if not the most user-friendly math title. These books are the results of over 30 years of experience in teaching, researching, and publishing. On every topic, the authors spend sufficient time to present the material in such a way that students enjoy studying from them. Memory devices are provided when helpful. The website for these books is Finalexamsreview.com. You may order from either createspace.com or amazon.com. Use any book in this collection to help you understand, apply, and remember the topics covered. The books are 1. Final Exam Review Arithmetic. 2. Final Exam Review Elementary Algebra. Final Exam Review Elementary Mathematics. Final Exam Review Intermediate Algebra. Final Exam Review Intermediate Mathematics. Final Exam Review College Trigonometry. And 7. Final Exam Review College Algebra. And 8. Final Exam Review Calculus 1 and 2. The Calculus 1 and 2 book is the most user-friendly Calculus 1 and book ever written. You will find out that this Calculus 1 and 2 book is more user-friendly than your textbook. The topics are covered in such a way that students find studying from this book a great joy. It is a great joy when a student does well on exams. Wishing you good luck on the final exam.